राज्यांत 8 ते 13 जानेवारी मेरेन अपंगूळ व्यक्तींचो आस्पाव आशिल्ले तेच बरोबर सशक्तीकरणाची परब मनोवपी आंतरराष्ट्रीय पर्पल फेस्त जातले मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान सोमारा जाहीर केले। मन की बात कार्यावळींतल्यान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीन पर्पल फेस्ताची तोखणाय केल्ली। हाची याद मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतान करून दिली। अपंगूळ व्यक्तींचे सशक्ती करप हो मनीस हक्क आणि सामाजिक समानतायेचो विषय या कार्यावळीक कितेंच कमी पडचे ना अशें उतरय ताणें दिलें।
ज्या कार्यक्रमाची तोखणाय माननीय पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदीजी हांच्यांनी पुराय देशभर केली आणि पर्पल फेस्ट कार्यक्रम कितें हो पुराय देशाक तांच्यांनी स्वताच्या शब्दांतल्यान आपल्या मन की बात कार्यक्रमांतल्यान आसतले किंवा वेगवेगळे कडेन मेन्शन करता आसतना सांगलो की पर्पल फेस्ट जो कार्यक्रम गोंय सरकारात केलो तो कार्यक्रम खरोखरूच बाकी सगळे कडेन पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटी हांच्या खातीर करपाक जाय। आणि आज म्हाका खास खोस भोगता कारण होच कार्यक्रम आमी परत एकदा 8 जानेवारी पासून 13 जानेवारी खातीर पुराय इंटरनॅशनल लोकां खातीर करता। इट इज अ प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर द गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट to organize the International Purple Festival from the 8th of January to the 13th of January. परत एकदा सांगता की ह्या कार्यक्रमाक कसलीच कमी पडची ना, कसलीच कमी उरची ना। सरकाराची सगळी डिपार्टमेंटां त्या खातीर पुराय सपोर्ट करपा खातीर तांच्या बरोबर आसतले। आमी सगळे जाण मेळोन पर्पल फेस्टिवल हो कार्यक्रम ऑर्गनायज करपाक जाय। स्पेशली द एम्पावरमेंट पर्सन विथ द डिसेबिलिटी इज नॉट एन act of charity, but it is a matter of the human right and social equity. By creating an inclusive, accessible and supportive society, we unlock the potential and talent of the countless individuals who can contribute to the betterment of our community. Let us commit to the cause and work together to build more equitable and inclusive world for all. Event plan, and once again, let us paint our state for purple and make it inclusive place for all.
Purple Fest, right? It's Purple Fest for a reason, right? So my first toast, I want to celebrate people. Here is to my brothers and sisters with disabilities all around the world, those who were born that way like me, and those who have become that way. Here's to the people who don't need color to see the rainbow of diversity. Here's to the people who don't need sound to hear the symphony of expression. Here's to the people who don't need odor to smell the power of memories. Here's to the people who don't need taste buds to enjoy the flavor of personality. Here's to the people who don't need touch to feel the delicateness of our mortality and the eternity of our spirits. Here's to the people who don't need to walk to travel and spread hope throughout the world. Here's to the people who don't need to look someone in the eye to prove their focus and tenacity. Here's to the people who don't need to sit still to find their peace and purpose. Here's to the people who don't need words to express love to their fellow living being. Here's to the people who don't need movement to express their zest for life. Cheers!
गोवा 365 खातीर मनीषा जाधव आणि संगीता ओली।